What's up, guys? Today is July 9th. Let's look into the price action. It's Tuesday evening. The market has already closed, but I have hidden the chart and I have not looked into it. I'll put it in a replay mode. Let's do the analysis together. So yesterday was a gap up, and then kind of ended as like a doji bar. So the final there was a final breakout towards the upside after the 3 push pullback on a strong bull trend. So let's see how the price action develops today. Okay, so the first bar is a gap up and a very bullish bar that created a new high of the all-time high, basically. Closed above the yesterday's high, so it's a breakout bar above yesterday's high, and immediate reversal. Let's see how it goes through. So we have few inside bar, so a lot of overlapping. Again, we just tested the high of the day again, and then pulled back right away, creating a new high. So gap up, pull back, and then the second leg up. So that's a huge sell-off bar. Market tried to break out above this high twice and failed. I would think it would come back at least to test the EMA and close the gap. It'll be a very good entry to short this bar, but that's not my setup. Let's see how the price action develops. Okay, we're still in a kind of range, right? This is the range that is forming the opening range. Yeah. Let's draw a range in here. So we are in this range as of now. A lot of overlapping bar. So breakout on either side could fail, or might have a pullback and then go for the second leg. Okay, so we just broke out of this range, and then this is kind of a pullback. So if it forms a lower low, then we'll get in the trade. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's a giant pullback, but I would still consider it as a pullback. Okay, is it a higher low? Higher high, sorry? No, kind of a double top. Okay, I will short one tick below this. Again, it's a strong bull. It'll be rather foolish to short, but I think this breakout and then pull back, forming a higher low, so we have a very good chance of 2 legs move down, or at least to the end of this range, right? So I'll short one tick below this. Okay, nice follow through. Still bearish. It's good to take profit in here, so let's take some contracts out right here on the below the range, and let's wait for a second leg. Okay, so first leg pullback, second leg tested the low of the day. Okay, the one tick above it we should get out of the trade, and then also get into the upside as well. Yeah, this is kind of like a double bottom bull flag, right? So if the market trades one tick above this high, I would get out of this trade and then enter into the new uptrend, because the 2 leg is over now. So let's see if we get that chance. Okay, got out of the trade. Okay, where is it? Let's see where we are on the upside. Since it's a double bottom pullback, or also bull flag, so 1 leg down, 2 leg, 3 leg push as well. Let me remove this. So 1 leg, 2 leg, and 3 leg, kind of a whiz bottom, and this bar broke the trend line as well, bear trend line. So nice bullish action. Okay, that ends the first leg, and we are sitting for the other leg as well. We should take some profit around the high of this range that was created. So yeah, we need to get up right here. Okay, so if not there, so this bar gave us the chance to get out of our position. Okay, let's see how it develops now. Too many errors in here. So we got back to the range. So first higher high, second attempt failed, and now we are pushing for the third attempt, and it kind of ended with the leg 1 pullback, leg 2 pullback, leg 3. So top of the range, I would think it would go back to the bottom of this range, or at least test the EMA. EMA is very close, and it's around 1235 as well, kind of forming a trading range in here. I will not trade around this time. Let the price develop. So it gets tricky around this time, right? So suddenly we have a giant bull bar in here that tested the top of the range, and this one actually did test the bottom of the range as well, opening range. So we're kind of range bound today. So if we consider this breakout leg 1, and this could be considered as a leg 2 as well. Okay, so we just got to break out of this range, right? The range that we have been playing all day today. So this one. So every breakout will have a pullback, and then the second leg, or it could reverse down directly and trap the bulls, right? Okay, that's a pullback basically. Okay, that's another pullback. So if the bar crosses above 1 tick high above this, we should get into the trade. It didn't, so that was a bull trap. Yeah, huge bull trap, right? And we didn't get into this trade, because I should have thought that if it goes below this, then we should go towards the sell side, since it's a trap. So, but I didn't think of that. So now, after seeing this bar, it doesn't make sense. So we missed that trade. Doesn't matter. So again, we broke out towards the downside, right? This is already a leg 1. We might have a leg 2 after we get a pullback, but do we get a pullback? That's the question, right? Let me remove this again. Okay, we got a pullback. And there we have a chance to go for a second leg down. It did form a lower low. It's hard to tell. I'm not convinced with this lower low. Okay, I would short if the price goes one tick below this price. Now I would consider it as a lower low. So where is the arrow? One tick below this. Okay, got into the trade, hoping for a leg 1, and then at least leg 2 to close this opening gap range. And also this is a kind of a double top bear flag as well. It has to have at least a second leg down. Okay, we reversed. Okay, let's analyze the price action here again. So bear, double top bear flag. We did not break out of this. We tried to break out and then reverse immediately back. My stop for this entry would be 1 tick above this signal bar, but that's a huge point. I will go for a break-even trade in this case. So I will exit out of this. Let me come back to that later. But I'm still in the trade. Just for the sake. Now, push 1, push 2, push 3. This is a final fail flag. I think we're going for the range bound action again. I will get out of this trade immediately. Right there. So what's going on? And overall, we opened here and we are almost at the open. So price hasn't moved anywhere thus far. Okay, so after this breakout, we got low 1, and then low 2, low 3, and this is kind of a pullback, and this is low 1 as well, another pullback. Okay, still it's failing. Looks like there are a lot of buyers in here, and well, we did actually close the gap by this bar, so we could have got out right here as well. I didn't realize we closed the gap. Okay. So leg 1, leg 2, leg 3 failed. We are forming kind of a descending triangle. There's a lot of overlapping bars around here, and especially below the EMA. So any breakout so this is a breakout bar, should actually follow through and have a few more legs. Okay, it's choppy. So yeah, no more trades for the day. It's almost 4 p.m. That's all. It's going nowhere. The price is going nowhere. It's just hovering around the EMA.